This cheesecake are great for the specializing dessert. You don't need to bake, but only can chill in the refrigerator. Hi, my name is Kyle, and welcome to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And today, I'm going to show you how to make the best cheesecake with perfect no-bake version. So what I have here, I'm going to make the crumb crust. I'm using for the 10 graham crackers. This is the original one. You can use like honey or whatever you flavor you want for the crackers. So that's 10 graham crackers that I just crush into the food processor that make it nice and ground. It has to be 1 1/4 cups. So let's put this into this bowl, and then I'm going to put in 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And you just want to dissolve the sugar into the crackers. I'm also going to put in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I have a 10 3/4 inch springform pan that I have the round one. It should look like this one. It has with the edge, graham cracker and the sugar and the butter. And then we're going to put it into the springform pan. And you just want to put the graham cracker, sugar, and the butter goes into the pan, springform pan, I just say. You can use the dry measuring cup, the rubber spatula, or you can also use your hands to pack really easy. But that should take some practice. Just lightly pack, and we're going to set this aside, and then we're going to make a batter for the cheesecake. I'm doubling up for those because if you want to make a half a batch, but you can go ahead, it's up to you. I'm going to put 2 8-ounce packages of room temperature cream cheese. Make sure the cream cheese has nice and soft, so that'll be easy to smooth it out together. Putting for 2 14-ounce cans of sweetened condensed milk. You can see the milk, it's really nice and thick together. Oh, that's really a lot. That's lots of milk for the sweetened condensed. So I'm going to put in 2/3 cup of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. That's going to be nice and flavored. Alright, the next step, you're going to take the hand mixer. Now you can also use the wooden spoon, or you can use the food processor, or you can use the blender, or you can even using the stand mixer if you want to, but it is completely up to you. I'm going to whirl it up together until you get a nice batter. You can see the batter is nice and smooth together. It's very easy for it. And then we'll just pour this batter into this. Has been already fermented the graham cracker crust that we made earlier. You're just going to pour it right into the springform pan. You just want to goes into refrigerator for 5 hours. So you want to make sure the batter is nice and firm together. Or you can just jiggle it. Okay, it looks perfect. That goes into refrigerator for 5 hours. So I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Alright, it should take about after 5 hours in the fridge. What I like to do, I just tape it down with the plastic wrap very tight, because it's a better way to hold place together. Just remove some plastic wrap, and then you want to take the paring knife. I just dip it with boiling water to run around the edge of it, because it's going to be better to release the edge of the springform pan. You can go ahead, just run around, and you just want to unlock the edge, and then you want to carefully lift it up and Voila. So I'm going to give it a slice and see how it looks like, and it's gonna be so delicious. Wow. If you like, you can top with your favorite, like I have, with the fruit topping: strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, even the whipped cream, Cool Whip, evenly vanilla ice cream. It looks like this one I just made with the strawberry fruit toppings. I put a couple of diced strawberries with some granulated sugar and the lemon juice. And here you go, a really perfectly no-bake cheesecake. If you like more recipes, let me know in the comments below, and you have to make sure to click the bell icon for notifications. And remember, you have to view all my videos, and you want to give it a big thumbs up for everybody. Thumbs up. Yep, that's a thumbs up for everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. And I hope you guys will love this recipe. As always, enjoy.